Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best 7-liter electric kettle under rupees 1600 or $25. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see the box of the package. So you can see here it's from the company Litre. So you can see here some specifications. So you can see here 24 months of warranty, so you get a 2 years of warranty. So it consumes almost 1.5 kilowatt, that is the 1500 watt. And you can see here energy saver, 7-liter capacity, and you can see some more options. And here you can see some products reviews. So on the above you can see here some MRP price. So the MRP price is written as 3180, but on the online, that is from the Amazon India, you can get it almost under rupees 1600. So I'll be leaving the product purchase link in the video description, so you can click there and check out this product. So what you get inside the box is, so inside the box you will get a electric kettle which holds 7-liter capacity, and a charger, that is the cable to charge this electric kettle, and third one is, you can see here, is a warranty cards. So these are the things you will get inside the box. So you can see here the cable, the charger cable looks made of good quality. So here is a 2 rounded pin connectors. So you can see here it's almost like a laptop adapter connectors. So there will be a 3-pin connector. So you need to connect it from the behind, just like this, and you need to plug the other end to the current plug. And you can see here right now which I'm holding here. This one is this is made of good quality rubberized plastic, so that whenever you hold a fully boiled water, then you won't get heat up on your hands. So this is really very good if you are holding the hot water. So you can see here it's a cap, it's removable. So you can see here how the inside portion looks. So I've already started using this one and I have checked the capacity. So as the company claims of 7-liter, as it's totally true that it holds a 7-liter of water inside this electric kettle. And you can see here there is a one cap like design. You can just unlock it just by pulling up, and you can just close it during when you are boiling water inside it. So let me give you a quick overview what are the so here you can see here this one is a switch, so you can select it either in the AT, that is the automatic, and here is the empty, that is the manual termination. So you can select either on the empty, that is the manual, and AT to turn it off automatically. So if you are always in a busy or forget all the time to switch off any electric products, then this automatic button will be very useful. So if you are working or doing some works while you are boiling some electric kettle and you forget to turn off this electric kettle even after the water inside is completely boiled up, then you can set it to 80, then it will automatically power up the current that is being received by this electric kettle. And if you set it to the manual, that is the empty, then you need to manually turn off once the water inside this electric kettle gets boiled. And you can see here red light indicator. So while you are boiling water, then it will show a red light indicator, and once it goes up, that means your water is completely boiled. So in the automatic mode, this light gets automatically turned off once the water inside this electric kettle gets boiled up. But in case of manual, it will not get, this light will not get turn off automatically. Since you have selected the empty option, then you need to turn it off. Then you need to turn off the current manually. So these are the features given or provided with this electric kettle, and behind you can see this one is the heat receiver. So you can see here some holes like has been provided so that some hot air gets flows up and it can cool down later on by its own. So definitely a very good electric kettle with a 7-liter capacity. Then you should definitely purchase it. If you're willing to have a big electric kettle, almost 7-liter, then you can get this very good quality that is made of stainless steel. You can purchase it by today itself by clicking on the product purchase link that I will be providing in the video descriptions. So I've already tested it, using it almost for a week, and I can definitely say it's a very value for money product that you can definitely check out by yourself. So if you find this video information useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.